Girls, how men manipulate you. Some of them learn it from toxic masculinity coaches. It's a lot of them on YouTube. You know this already. Some of them use it subconsciously because they already tried these tricks and secrets on other women and they saw how good it worked. Because that's pure psychology. And today I'm not gonna gatekeep, I'm gonna spill all the secrets about how men manipulate you to get what they want. And by the way, my name is Paulina, I'm dating coach, and I help women to become the best version of themselves, become high value women, elevate their dating game, and become more feminine. So subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. And number one way of manipulation, it's future faking. They trying to sell you the dream. For example, it's been 1 or 2 days and they already texting you or saying you, we're gonna go to Maldives, we're gonna travel together, we're gonna live in this beautiful house. They're talking about marriage, they're talking about kids, and this has its own reason why they do this. For example, if they see that you have high moral values and you're not gonna sleep with him because he's basically a stranger, they create this illusion of intimacy and closeness. They create this illusion that you have future together, you know, that you already close, that you basically gonna marry one day. And that's why they get this intimacy very fast, because you start to believe them. Of course, like everyone wants to believe in the best. You can call it love bombing as well, but love bombing is more about actions. They send you flowers, they give you gifts. Future faking, it's more about words. He's not doing anything. He's just talking and selling you the dream. So please, girls, be aware of it. Do not believe his words so easily. Wait, test his intentions. Because if you're just not gonna sleep with him right away, you're gonna test his intentions. If he's gonna keep chasing you, if he's gonna keep pursuing you. And if it happens, okay, you can give him a chance. Second way of manipulation is, of course, gaslighting. For example, he told you something or he did something, and when you're asking him about that, he was like, I didn't say it. You made this up. Like, why are you making things up? I never said it to you. I never did this to you. If he ever does this, please run from this man, because it's early signs of abusive behavior, controlling behavior. If he's acting towards you like this at the early dating stage, it's not gonna be good, healthy relationship that's gonna make you happy, that's gonna fulfill you. Girls, if you want to learn men's psychology, what they want, what they need, what their instincts are, how exactly they've fallen in love, you can read my ebook 10 psychological secrets to make him obsessed. You will learn exact strategy, step by step, how to make him fall for you, how to make him put in the effort, how to make him give you attention that you want and deserve, how to make him chase you, how to make him spoil you. You will learn how men's brain works, how to play this seductive and flirtatious game. Because if you do so, you're gonna completely stand out from all the other girls. And especially if you're dating high value men, girls, they have a lot of women around, and to stand out you have to act differently. You have to know the game that you're playing. So I put the link to this book in the description. Check this out. Also, you'll find the promo code for 30% discount only for people who are watching this video. Enjoy. Another way of manipulation is one of the favorite ways that men often use. They tell you that no one else will like you, will love you as I do. No one else will treat you as good as I do. No one else will need you as much. No one else will want you. They put these thoughts in your head, so you're gonna be so much easier to manipulate, because you're gonna afraid to lose them. You're gonna be questioning yourself. Your self-esteem goes down. It's a lot of clients who's coming to me and saying, Paulina, like, I dated this man and now my self-esteem is just on the floor, on the ground, because they always told me these things, that you're not good enough, you know, no one will ever love you. So if you see this, girls, I understand it's painful, I understand it might be hurt, but you have to remember that this is not true. True is everything that you believe in. And I do recommend you to don't believe to these things, because this is basically not true. This is just manipulation that he is doing subconsciously or intentionally. Fourth way of manipulation, he is getting distant out of nowhere. For example, 2 days, 3 days, everything been great, he's texting, calling, everything is good. But then suddenly he's disappearing for a day or two. And this way he's testing if you already get attached. Because if you start calling him, if you start texting, what happened, where are you, what's going on, he will know that you already hooked, and you're gonna be very easy to manipulate, you're gonna be very easy to control. He knows that you're already there. He knows that whatever he does, you already attached. And what should you do in this situation? If he does this, girls, you always have to match his energy. Do not send your energy and efforts somewhere where it's not appreciated. If you feel that he is getting cold, you're getting even more colder. You're becoming literally freezer, because you don't want to do more than he does. You don't want to chase anyone. You don't want to show him that I'm gonna do everything to be with you. He has to work for your attention. He has to earn it. He has to understand that, okay, this woman, she's not gonna let it slide. I have to put effort if I want to be with her. And if he is getting distant and if he's not consistent, girls, I just want you to match this energy and do not give this man your undivided focus and undivided attention. I can tell you that this works with my clients. For example, girls coming to me like, Polina, everything been so good. He was sending me flowers. He was asking me on a date. And then suddenly he disappeared. He's not texting me for 2 days. I start to be anxious. I start to be worried. Maybe something happened to him. Of course, I start to text him. Then he's replying me few hours later, saying that, yeah, I've been just busy with something. Girls, your phone is always in your hands, and his phone is always in his hands. If he didn't reply you for the few hours, what do you think he did? He just didn't want to talk to you. Maybe he was busy with someone, or maybe he saw the message and he thought, okay, she can wait. And this energy, it's not something that you want to get from men. You cannot wait. You're supposed to be his priority. And if he's really into you, if he genuinely likes you, he is gonna answer you right away or as soon as he saw this message. He will never make you wait. Or it can be a manipulation. And if you're dating a manipulator, girls, just move on, just run from this man, because he's gonna manipulate you through your whole relationship as well. Another way of manipulation, men love it so much, they say, I've been traumatized in the past. My past relationship has been so traumatic. I've been so hurt. Now I have to heal. I have to take it slow. I have to take this time for myself. And that's all right if this happened. But if he's really traumatized, if he's really been hurt, why he's dating people? Why he's going on a date? And I don't want you to try to heal him. Because a lot of girls, as soon as they hear it, they was like, okay, I'm gonna heal him. I'm gonna change him. I'm gonna be the one who will help him to get over. He doesn't need your help. If he's telling you these things, it means he doesn't take you seriously. It means he doesn't want to be with you, but he still wants to give you some glimpse of hope. He still wants to keep you around, because he never knows, when he will get bored, maybe he will call you, and you're gonna be there. It's all excuses, girls. Guys who really need to heal, they don't go and don't date other girls. Maybe they sleeping around, but they don't need you to heal them. They don't communicate these things. And if men really say it, it's mostly because he's trying to manipulate you and he's trying to find excuses why he's not ready to date you. I can tell you that another woman who he will like much more will appear in his life. He's gonna change his mind. He's not gonna heal anymore. And I can tell you that project the situation on yourself. For example, even if you broke up with someone, you cannot think about dating someone right away. But if you met someone who you really like, if you met the man of your dream, it's not gonna stop you that you just left a long-term relationship. It's not gonna stop you. You're still gonna date this man because you like him so much. You know, you're not gonna go against your desires. And if man says you these things, it means that he's not that into you and he's not that interested in you. And go find someone else who's gonna be ready, who's gonna be available, and who you don't need to heal and save from anything. Another way of manipulation, it's usually broke man who does this. They say that I don't want her to love me for my money. That's why I'm not gonna spoil you. I'm not gonna give you money. I'm not gonna give you presents because I don't like gold diggers. I want someone like me for me, not for my money. If he calls women gold diggers, it means he has no gold to dig, girls. High value man, provider man, successful man, he will never tell you these things. You'll never hear this from him because for him it feels nice to provide for women. It feels nice to take care of women because that's his nature. But if man doesn't have money, he is gonna tell you that all women, they go after money. All women are the same. They're so mercantile. And you don't want to entertain this. As soon as you hear this from man, you go away and you move on and you don't talk to him. You don't try to prove him wrong because it's not gonna help. You know, you leave him with his own picture of world. You don't try to change him. You just work on yourself and you attract the better man. You attract provider man. You attract successful man who is gonna be ready to do this for you. For example, you can complete my workshop Dream Woman, where you will learn how to become this woman that men getting obsessed with, and how to be the one for him, and how to elevate your dating game, attract the better man, how to act on a date, how to be more confident, how to raise your self-esteem. All of these things I give you in my workshop Dream Woman. 30 video lessons, practical workbook with exercises you can do to self-develop. I put the link to this workshop in the description. Also, you will find there a promo code for 30% discount for people who's watching this video. And last but not least, last way of manipulation is just lies. They lie to you about if they're talking to other people or no. They lie to you about your future. They lie to you about what they feel about you. Because men like to manipulate. And as soon as you feel it, as soon as you feel that he is not being honest, girls, I do not recommend you to entertain this connection because it's just not gonna make you happy. He's gonna lie all over again. And some people, it's just in their nature, it's just in their blood to lie to other people. And especially if you notice that he's lying to someone on the phone when he is with you, it's a biggest red flag, girls. Move on from this man as soon as you notice this. Tell me in the comments if you ever saw these ways of manipulation in the men you dated, and I'm gonna be happy to read your comments and answer on them. And please subscribe my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.